We have to buy time. And we want to buy time particularly to ensure that we achieve a high coverage of our vaccination. It is not the wish of the virus to forget us, but it is because we are making sure that we are making it difficult for the virus to travel. The connotation is, when we will reverse this process, the situation can again become unacceptable. And that is something we have to keep in mind. If our discipline and if our containment measures, our vaccination scale up, our preparedness, again it slackens or it's not well titrated, the situation can go again into a difficult phase. What is important to remember is the following, that when the peak is declining and we suddenly get into the same behavior as, let's say, what we were doing in January and February as a society, it will come back again in a certain way. More of that we do, earlier will be the next wave. And more of that behavior we do collectively, higher will be the wave. What I'm trying to explain to you is something mathematically valid but equally valid by common sense. अगर हम ये सारा व्यवहार एकदम से फिर उसी पे चले जाएंगे जो दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी में था, मान लीजिए एकदम से चले जाएंगे, तो वेव फिर दोबारा जल्दी आएगा वायरस और ऊंचाई तक जाएगा। इसको हम धीरे धीरे अपना बिहेवियर को एडजस्ट करेंगे, टाइट्रेट करेंगे, टाइट रोप वॉक करेंगे, तो वेव छोटी भी होगी, शायद ना भी आए और आगे चलती जाएगी। कहने का मतलब यह है कि वी हैव टू बाय टाइम, एंड वी वांट टू बाय टाइम particularly to ensure that we achieve a high coverage of our vaccination. That's the time we want to buy. And that is the duration of intense discipline that we want to exercise. And that's my appeal today, using a different route of arguments and suggestion and logic. We need to buy time till we, at the soonest possible time, are able to vaccinate large population. Number of people who received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, as per this data sheet updated yesterday or last night, India has administered, according to this data sheet, you know the official number, 17.2 crore doses. India, 17.2 crore doses according to this data system. And US, which is leading the pack, is 16.9. We have overtaken US in terms of number of people who have received at least a single dose of COVID-19 vaccine. I repeat, we have overtaken US in terms of number of people in our country who have received at least one dose of vaccine.